Millions of Americans are still waiting on their 2020 tax refunds. Here is your December IRS tax refund update. You would think that by this time of the year, most people would have received their tax refunds by now, but that's just not the case. If you're still waiting for your tax refund, I don't have much good news unfortunately, but watch the video anyway since I'll highlight some important developments on the continued IRS tax refund delays. Later in the video, I'll go over some planning that you can do now to get yourself ready for the upcoming 2021 tax filing season, which can help you in avoiding future tax refund delays. Hi, I'm Noel Lorenzana, your friendly neighborhood accountant. Welcome or welcome back. The IRS is making slow progress, but they are still way behind. I'm really sorry if you're still waiting. As of November 12th, 2021, the IRS had 5.9 million unprocessed individual tax returns. These are 2020 returns with errors and those returns requiring special handling, such as those that require correction to the recovery rebate credit amount or validation of 2019 income used to figure the earned income tax credit and additional child tax credit. They are opening mail within normal timeframes, and all paper and electronic individual refund returns received prior to April 2021 have been processed if the return had no errors or did not require further review. The IRS has reduced the number of returns requiring special handling from a historical high of 9.8 million on May 1st, 2021 to the current level of 61,000 individual returns as of November 12th. On a positive note, the IRS announced that interest rates on delayed tax refunds will remain the same, which is 3% for the first quarter of next year. It may not add up to much money for most people, but it's certainly better than getting nothing for your troubles. If you're still waiting for your IRS tax refund, unfortunately, there's not really a surefire way to get your refund any faster. The one thing you can do is check the Where's My Refund tool on the IRS website and cross your fingers that your refund will come soon. Quick side note, the IRS has been sending incorrect tax due notices recently. Apparently, they have been sending out notices without having applied the respective tax payments. It's shocking, I know. So don't automatically blame your tax professional if you receive a tax notice. Moving on, so it's December and we've got another tax season coming up in a few short months. To avoid future tax refund delays, you'll want to file early. You'll want to file electronically, and you want to make sure that you file a complete and accurate tax return. That's my best advice to avoid tax refund delays next tax season. Planning ahead can help people file an accurate return and avoid processing delays that can slow tax refunds. Have a system to gather and organize your tax records. Organized tax records make preparing a complete and accurate tax return easier. It helps avoid errors that lead to processing and refund delays. You should have all your tax information available before filing to ensure that your return is complete and accurate. Notify the IRS if your address changes and notify the Social Security Administration of any legal name changes. Remember, most income is taxable. Record keeping for individuals include Form W-2 from your employer, Forms 1099 from banks for interest received, 1099s from dividends and distributions from retirement accounts, Form 1099-K, 1099 miscellaneous, and 1099 NEC, which is a new form, for freelancers and independent contractors. Other income documents and records of cryptocurrency transactions. Individuals who need to reconcile their advanced payments of the child tax credit and premium tax credit will need the related 2021 information for their tax return. Those who receive the stimulus payment and/or think they qualify for an additional amount will need their stimulus payment and plus-up payments to figure and calculate the 2021 recovery rebate credit. Do you see the problem here? More tax refund delays next year, most likely. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. Additionally, if the following applies to you, you should keep the following year-end documents. Letter 6419, which is the total advanced child tax credit payments you received. You will need to reconcile the advanced child tax credit payments on your tax return. Letter 6475, which is your 2021 economic impact payment, also known as your third stimulus payment that you may have received in 2021. If you didn't receive it and you were eligible, then you may be able to claim it on your 2021 tax return by completing the Recovery Rebate Credit Worksheet. Form 1095-A, Health Insurance Marketplace Statement, to reconcile your advance premium tax credits. Depending on your actual income, you may be entitled to more premium tax credits, or you may have to repay some or all of the advanced premium tax credits back. That's it for now. If you found the video helpful, please support the channel by hitting the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.